owl nest re-nesting and restoration. Second one this week. Say hi, Barb. Here we go. There's our new nest. All fabricated on the ground. And we do have Mama Great Horned Owl up in the tree about 25 feet above us. So we're gonna hope she doesn't swoop down and nail me. Here we go. Gonna take a slight modification of mounting plan, but it'll be good. Maybe actually go under. Okay, that's better.
On that side.
Where do you want it?
Could it be turned slightly more towards you?
Yep. All right, so that anchor will be right on that branch, and then this one will go to this branch. Okay. I need to have this ladder down a couple inches because it's resting on the ladder at this point.
And now Scott is tying the bottom of the nest to the branches with paracord.
Might as well get the still for insurance purposes.
Ready for this mission?
Absolutely. We got some dogs. I always tie the bag off to the tree. The Army referred to this as a dummy cord, just in case. Mama is going to be coming after you because she's about 25 feet above us, and I want to get out of here. All right, buddy. Good luck to you. They're all good. They're sturdy. As much as he was squawking, I'm like, here she's coming, man. She hears baby. Very windy. We've left a little hollow for the owl to get down in. We've got a little rabbit here that Mama left on the ground, so we got some wood to attract her. So, we'll agitate it. We're gonna get out of here. Come on, buddy.